My name is Sabri Mohammed, and I work for the International Labour Organization. We cover Nairobi, Kampala, Kigali, and Bujumbura. These are very small things when we said we need to make a copy, we need to scan the documents, but it's actually a part and parcel of your daily work. So inside here we have different departments and teams, from finance to HR to projects. Now, MFI have eased up these things because not only they gave us these machines and technology that we hire from them, it's also the part which they make it easy is that these guys monthly, you call them, you don't call them, they'll come by monthly, but also they do like mini services. To hire a device makes your life very easy than to own it and start figuring out the preventive maintenance of the thing. MFI give us something which you can print both sides and everything. And then comes COVID. I print it, who's gonna sign it? Nobody's in the office. By the issue of scanning using those devices like the Kyocera, the one they gave us, we were able to send exactly documents from the scanner to staff who's at home. He can sign and then can return it. After the signed document, then we can print it and file it. So using the same devices, they easy up for us to meet and everything, but they're also easy at our work so that things can go on.